Practice question on sequence and series. So here you have next question with you. Look at the question. Look at the question. Try attempting the question by yourself. Write the answer in the comment box. Also tell me what you think about the level of difficulty. Do you find this to be easy, moderate, or hard? Let's see. The question is there are 8,436 steel balls with a radius of 1 centimeter that's piled. On top you get one ball. So on top you got only one ball, and then you got 3 balls in the second layer, 6 in the third layer, and then 10 in the fourth layer. So first layer 1, second layer 3, third layer 6, here you got 10, and it goes on. Now when they say it goes on, that means definitely there must be some kind of series or progression form. What is series or progression? You can find something common, something which is common between the consecutive term, and then you apply the same rule to get the next term. That is progression. We need to find out the number of layers. Now instead of layer, if I say they are terms, let's say this is first term. First layer is first term, second layer second term, third layer third term, and then fourth term, and then it goes on. So basically we need to find out how many terms are there. We need to find out how many terms are there. Yeah? Fine. Great. Okay. Now, do we have any relation between these numbers? 1, 3, 6, 10, and then so on. Do you see that? Difference is 2, difference is 3, difference is 4. Yes. So the next value should be with difference of what? 5, right? So this should be 15. And it goes on. Okay. You can also see that on in the first layer the total number of balls are 1. In the second layer it is 1 plus 2. Third layer, which is 6, that's 1 plus 2 plus 3. Next is fourth layer, that is 10, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Are you getting it? Fifth layer, it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Yeah? First layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer. It's not the sum of all the 4 layers. There's a difference. Fourth layer is 10. Fourth layer is 10. It's not sum of all the 4 layers. I'm repeating this because, now you should not get confused with what I'm going to say now. For fifth layer, it is sum of 1 to 5. That means for nth layer, we are going to go up till nth layer, and that is what we need to find out. We need to find the value of n. So for nth layer, it should be sum of 1. Do you agree with that? Okay, do you agree with that? For fifth layer, it is sum up to 5. Fourth layer, it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Third layer is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So nth layer, it should be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on till n. Okay, nth layer. Now here what is given to you, that sum of all these balls. That means if you add all these layers, 1, 2, 3, all these layers, then you get the value which is 8436. Is the question clear to you? 8436. Is the question clear to you? Yes? Now, first let me write what is the nth term. So nth term is nothing but here. Nth layer, it's nothing but, nth layer is nothing but sum of 1 to n. So nth layer, sum of 1 to n. Again, concept builder, we have learned sum of 1 to n. That is n plus 1 by 2. Let me use it here. So the nth term, this is sum of all. It's not only this 8436 is sum of all. It's not only the nth term, nth layer. So on nth layer, the number of balls you should be having, that is n plus 1 by 2. Yeah, nth layer, or let me call this to be nth term. Fine. Now, if you have gone through lecture number 7 of the progression, we have discussed special series there. Special series we have discussed there, where we have learned that if you have nth term of the special series, this is special series, then for sum of nth term, the sum of nth term is nothing but summation of n. Guys, if you have not gone through the 7th lecture, please go through that, because this question is related to the 7th lecture concept builder video. Now this nth term, that is should be equal to summation of what? Nth term, that is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Now the story starts. So this constant you can take out of the summation, open the bracket, so you got summation of what? N square plus n. Yeah, if you look at summation of n, that is half of summation of n square plus summation of n. We have discussed this all in detail in the special series, guys. This is in the 7th lecture. Look at this, we have discussed all. Now summation of n square is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Summation of n is n plus 1 by 2. Write this down here. Write this down here. So you get what? 1 by 2 here. This is nothing but what? n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6, plus summation of n is n plus 1 by 2. Let's simplify this. Simplify this. You can take further 2 common. So here you got 4. So you have got only, I'm very bad at drawing, so please forgive me for that. N plus 1, 2n plus 1. All right. This is by 3. Simplification, guys. Okay. Let's take this n plus 1 also common. I'm simply increasing the steps here. Yeah, this is not needed. Okay. I can take the entire n plus 1 by 2 common. So here you have 1 by 2 already. So it becomes n plus 1 by 4. And then inside only you have 2n plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Simplify that further. What you get is n plus 1 by 4. And here you get what? Simplify. You get 2n plus 1 plus 3 by 3. Right? Go on. n plus 1, we are not done yet. This will get you what? 2n plus 4. Can you take 2 common from there? Yes. So if you take 2 common from there, you get what? N plus 2 here, and by 3 as it is. Now, can we cancel this? What do you get now? Sn, summation of sum of series for the given series which we have, that is equal to n plus 1, n plus 2 by 3. Okay, sorry, not by 3. 2 3 are 6. Right? That is sum of series. Which series? Same. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus so on. Yeah? For n terms. Terms are equal to layers in such case. Are you okay with this? Okay, do you want me to repeat from where? I hope this part is clear. This first part is clear. This part is clear. This part has to be clear. ये जो bracket लगा रखा ना, ये वाला part clear होना चाहिए. अगर ये clear नहीं तो ये वाला portion को फिर से एक बार check कर लो. Rewind this part of the video. And then nth term हमने निकाला था. And then this is fine. This is okay with you. And then if you have gone through the 7th lecture, concept builder lecture of progression, then all these steps will make sense to you. Okay. Now question said this is equal to 8436. ऐसा है. So you need to tell us, not to me or us, you need to find what is the value of n, because n is equal to number of layers here. Yeah? See, n is equal to first layer, second layer, third layer, first layer, second layer, third layer, and similarly you got nth layer. Yeah. So find out sum of all this. That will be equal to number of balls, which is 8, 4, 3, 6 there. So here you have options. So one way is you can simplify that and then get the value of n, but you will get cubical equation. I suggest avoid that. Second is you can also look at the option. You can also look at the option here. You can look at the option here. You can look at the options here. Let me take this down. ये सब समझाने में टाइम लगता है guys, otherwise it's not that difficult. Okay. Now think about it. इसको ऑप्शंस को देखो यहाँ पे, ध्यान से ऑप्शंस को देखो, ध्यान से ऑप्शंस को देखो यहाँ पे. Here you, whatever value you put here as n plus 1, n plus 2, मतलब there are 3 consecutive terms you're going to multiply. For example, if you substitute 34, n equal to 34, so it's going to be 34 into 35 into 36 by 6. अब एक बात को समझो, it is by 6, so definitely the numerator has to be divisible by 6. और अगर थोड़ा और ध्यान से देखोगे, even after dividing that, here at the end you are getting 6, and that you get only when again you have a multiple of 6. मतलब numerator should be double multiple of 6. Double multiple of 6 मतलब 6 into 3, 6 is equal to 36. So 36 का multiple होना चाहिए. तो 36 होने के chances बहुत ज़्यादा हैं इसमें, out of the option which are there with us. Okay, look at this. If you try with 34, what do you have? 34. So you have n equal to, if I substitute n equal to 34, what do you get here? 34 into 30. ध्यान से समझना, 34 into 35 into 36. So you have 36, no doubt, which you can cancel. But also keep in mind that you have 35, which is multiple of 5. That means if you are going to simplify this, whenever you have multiple of 5 and even number, it is, the product is always going to end with 0. Multiple of 5, you multiply with any even number, the product is always going to end with 0. We don't want that. The answer you want is what? 8436, right? So that's why we'll say 34 will not work. 38, you will have same issue. If you substitute n equal to 38, then you get 38, 39, n plus 1 and 40 as n plus 2. पहली बात तो it is not cancelling by, you can still 3 से cancel करो, 2 से cancel करो, वो तो चलेगा, but still you have got 0. That means the product is again going to end with 0. And as I said, you need double 6, you need double product of 6 in the numerator. Then only it's going to end with 6 here, the product is going to end with 6 here, and also the denominator is going to get cancelled by 6. Although 40 is helping you a lot to understand that product is going to end with 0, not required, cannot happen. So this is not the answer. Okay. And if you try 36, it's probability answer. If you want n equal to 36, I don't advise you to multiply 37 and 38 here, and here you got denominator 6, you can cancel this, it's simply being cancelled, and you can, if you multiply, you end with 6. 6. Look at the unit digit. 6 sevens are 42, so you got 2 as the unit digit, and 2 8s are 16, so it should end with 6, right? Okay, so that way you can look at the option and mark 36 as the answer. You want, you can try 32. Try 32 and tell me what you think about this in the comment box. Use this 32 as one of the option n equal to 32 and tell me what you get, what do you think about it. Okay, product करके तो निकाल सकते हैं, and you can simplify this equation also, get cubical equation if you are interested to do that. I'm not. Yeah, I'm okay using the options. Yeah. Okay, you will get option in such questions. Yeah, it will not be text entry type of question. Options important. Cubical question, cubical equation को solve करना, it will be time consuming. And remember, in exam they are not checking your maths. How good are you in maths? They are going to check whether you are able to apply reasoning with maths or not. And that's why calculations will be less, and formulas are simple. The application will be difficult. Okay, so that's the solution. Yeah, So answer is option number C. Now level of difficulty, what do you think about the level of difficulty for this question? Level of difficulty for this question. Is it easy? Definitely not. Is it moderate? Maybe for some students who are able to understand this faster. Is it hard? Yes, for most of the students I would say yes. For me, I'll say it should be between moderate to hard, whatever you feel is comfortable. Write in the comment box so I will also get to know what you feel about it. Okay. So let's see the next question.